Hello everybody, hope you all are doing good. Vermicelli kheer or Semiya Payasam is an easy and tasty dessert which can be done in a jiffy. This is what I am sharing today in the video. To 2 tablespoons of ghee, 200 grams of vermicelli is added and roasted on low flame until it turns a bit golden brown in color and it is kept aside. To another pan, 2.25 liters of milk along with 1 cup of water is boiled, while stirring once in a while to take care that the milk does not get scorching. Once the milk is boiled, the roasted vermicelli is added to it and cooked for about 10 minutes until the vermicelli is 90% done. The cooking time depends on the brand of the vermicelli. To this, 2 cups of sugar is added and is allowed to dissolve completely, and the vermicelli is cooked until done and also until the desired consistency is attained. So here goes the delicious sweet. Do try this quick and easy and tasty dessert and satisfy your sweet cravings. I'll meet you with another recipe or video.